Welcome back to Chai with Lakshmi. Today I'm at my favorite craft bazaar in Bangalore. It's called Nature Bazaar and it's been organized by Dastakar Society year after year for the last 30 years. In Bangalore, of course, this is the 8th year and I love coming here because this is absolutely colorful, delightful, beautiful place. It has about 120 crafts people from about 19 different states in India coming here to sell everything from rugs to vases to furniture to jewelry, fabrics, and yeah, it's a place I just go berserk. And also I think it's a very chilled out weekend experience, and the bazaar is usually here for a week, so the next time you hear about it, don't miss it. Priyanka, you're from the Dastakar Society. Tell me a bit about how this came about.
Dastakar is a society that was formed long back in 1981 by 6 ladies randomly thinking that how can they uplift the craft, and with the motive that they have to eradicate this middleman concept from the artisan and the consumer. They started off with these bazaars. They started off an organization called Dastakar, which means a person who works with his hands, and to provide the basic marketing needs, the major thing that comes up was our bazaars and exhibitions. So artisans come, they participate in our bazaar, and there they can interact directly from the consumer. So to uplift and to save for the safeguard of the crafts and the craft people, we started with these bazaars 30 years back. I think we have made a mark and these craft people have got what they wanted.
Alright, thank you so much, Priyanka. I think now I'm going to go have a look around and do some much needed shopping.
And hope you enjoy all this and hope the crafts brings up, and thank you so much for coming.
Okay, so my second stall is a very pretty portly handbag and clutches store. We have Narayan here and I'm going to ask him about his experience at Nature Bazaar. Narayan ji, आप कितने सालों से यहाँ आ रहे हैं?
हम लोग 10 साल से यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं और काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स यहाँ मिलता है.
So how much is this portly?
This is 550 rupees.
Wait, okay, I'll have this one. I think it's really pretty. And now for the next store, some Banarasi beautiful silks and some very colorful patterns and designs over here. आपके सूट्स कितने के हैं भाई साहब?
1800 का, that is red and green, and second one 2000, 2200, something different price we have.
Show me the best that you have. Very pretty.
Once I am making the 45 days, 40 days minimum.
So what you just saw was lampshades made of banana fiber. There's plenty of embroidered stuff around. These are weaves from Madhya Pradesh. And here are some really pretty Goan paintings from Madhya Pradesh. This is really pretty. This is Ramesh's own handiwork. 4,000, yes? 4,000. Rohini, I guess this is your first time at Dastakar. What do you think of it?
You know, I'm having a great time. I think it's fantastic. I love all the arts and crafts that are showcased here, and I've met a lot of women out here. It seems like a lot of fun.
Excuse me, how much are these bangles? How much are these bangles?
100 for 4.
100 for 4. This is all coconut shell jewelry. I'd like these, please. Thank you. So that's my 4 bangles for 100 rupees only. I love earthenware. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at the colors on this. So this is a store which has wrought iron decorators from Chhattisgarh. Look at this really pretty tea light stand. Bhaiya, ye kitne ka hai? 150. For 150 only. Really beautiful.
6,500.
There you go. You can pretty much come here and pick everything you need for a brand new home. I've just come to the funkiest of all the stalls here. They have products, everything from wrapping papers to little notepads made from elephant dung. Looks like the elephant dung product store also has some really cool paper bags, right? This one actually has some fantastic writing on it. It says brides wanted, much wanted for short, fat, bald and handsome middle-aged man, uneducated and unemployed, hoping for support from girl's family. Girl should be fair, tall, slim and beautiful. Dowry should be in dollars. British pounds is even better. All in cash. Contact urgently with bio data and poster size photograph at XYZ. Fantastic. What thinking, what fascinating ideas. Alrighty, so there's a stall here with recycled products, some really funky things from Delhi, and this one here has some beautiful fabrics, dupattas and saris from Andhra Pradesh, which I'm very tempted to take a look at. This is beautiful. And it's pure cotton?
Pure cotton.
Alrighty, so I've got my really pretty sari and I've already got jewelry to go with it, all from Dastakar. Okay, what say? Yellow or blue? I'm done doing my shopping and I've got 2 bags full of goodies including dupattas, a sari, jewelry and shoes. This is a must do. It's a celebration of Indian arts and crafts from across India. I'm tired from all the walking around, so I'm going to grab some food. You can see all the beautiful chilies and the bhajis are just waiting for me. I'll see you on the next episode.